East Coast kid in this game, boy. Got the game real in this lane, boy. You know I'm back. 2017 for real. Still sin when you cross the line, Pistolville, you prepared for death. See them boy, you where I'm back with the rap. You already see it, boy. Grab your vest. You know, son. Bloody messes when I'm rapping. Little niggas testing the boy too much, son. They still sweating to think about banging. You already know guns still stinking. Right in your brain, son. You will see it. Come and run the game for real. The boy Pistol got really skills for real. Come on, dog. Shit, too many motherfuckers gonna be my target or be my opponent. Still wanna think they not that they the smartest. Come on, son, you want this? Little niggas will get it. Come ahead, huh? Quick, you already know I don't miss. Sharp shooting. Yeah, little nigga got the hoppin' plan, boy. Yeah, play that flute again, little nigga. See ya. Little clown saluting to the kid right now. Cause I already know I'm about doing this, son. Never now, you already know me. Never back down, boy. But you need to do it for me. Cause you know I'm ready, yo, to get a nigga that death. And see that girl right there, she swimming in the river cause she seen that death. Come on, dog, she seen it, motherfucker, like she paced that back. Like she thought she was gonna win against the boy the Pistol. Like, yeah, she already know I'm still innocent. Come on, dog, not quite the lead. Not really, you already see that you're really trying me. Now little people trying to play really grinding. Little nigga come and run away. Little nigga Pistol, son, know what I say. Come around, young. East Coast kids see Jesus. Literally, son, see it, I see it. Come around, you see us, young. They come beat us. Little Pistol in the game, wearing black beaters. You already see they try to tease us and leave us. So then I'll be taking to the motherfucking cemetery, my funeral home, my demons belong. You already see with the death, young's coming on the throne. And I told young I'm on. Little Pistol in the game for real. 2017, son, this that real. Nobody's realer. Can you claim it? Who you blaming? It's when I'm changing. Now it's what it be like. I'm the real number one organized criminal. Know it's really be back to see your organs cut right to the side with your eyes, dog. Cause guns hit the temples. You already know it's really be a sons get it simple. Now I'm coming around and I'm doing my son doing it. Killer clowns awaken. Now though just on Halloween for life, son. Yeah, I ain't never fake. I'm making bodies that scream, John. Get the lake and come on, son, you know. Little Pistol in this game, son. Let the game just glow like the purple with the coloring. Like the coloring, but son, they color, man. You already know it's me, son. But they see me only one color, my friend. Black boy wondering. Now I'm coming around, son. The gun still wondering. Who body that's gonna get touched next? Who head that's gonna splat with the laser, boy, when it's coming attached? Little niggas see me. Now I'm coming around, boy. Yeah, East Coast kid in this motherfucker. You already know. Freestyle unit. The president is here. The president is here. They call me the king. They call me the king. They call me the king without the queen, without the diamond ring. Shining on a bitch hand, son, like I give a dog for lying to me, son. Now you should feel that beam and the rage that I see. Right, feeling my body, son, the game is strange. Where that banger come against me, come against my game like my unit team being. Come on, dog, you know how I do the troop law. Come on, dog, see the lieutenants, then I see the generals, see the commander wishes me, dog, to come in it, boy, you know I do it. Freestyle unit with true to it. Come on, son, stop playing stupid. You already know you clowning. Look at Little Pistol like you looking straight down, man. You already know why you frowning. You looking ugly. Come around mugging me up on the street, still bugging with the gangs. You already know the street, he's pulling out your brains. pull into it. Freestyle unit do this. Come on, young. See the game properly, claiming me, boy. Like you call my baddie, but I'm still standing, boy. What you really saying? Even though I'm trying to catch the one that got the stabbing. Come on, stabbing me up, got the grabbing. Left me big in the truck, son, for the ambulance to come get me. Got me another chance to come back, to come and get you. Yeah, revenge is mine, revenge is calling. Now I see the boys on the bench, son. Who you think I'm calling? Yeah, the demonic killers. Now it's what it be, son. I'm going to jump on these triggers. You already know, let it be known before I drop the liquor. You already know I let it pour so much, like your blood is dead at your liver. Come on, dog, that death deliver. I gotta get her. Now the pistol coming in the game, gotta get ya. Now I'm in the hood, son, the game really twisting. I come around the game, still they ticking. You know what it be, son, stop listening to Kid Pistol here, boy. Do my little thing up in the game. Look at it. Freestyle unit, I told you. 2017 take over. 2017 take over. It ain't no game. This is scary beat. It's for a scary person like I be. You already know, son, to let it be known as the East Coast nightmare. You already know when I let it be seen. You already see your done, kid, with the guns busting so much, son, it's disgusting. But I love it, it's still beautiful in my sight. Come on, dog, so beauty in my life. Come on, dog, son, the game is not nice. You already see it's really be, son, the game is so diked up. Come on, young, pass the mic to me and watch me burn it up, literally. You know you can't play me, dog, really. Pistol in the game, don't need your label, I got my own. You already know I bust your brains on the table, son, now I'm on the throne. Show you, son, it's all on, showing on the ground, nigga. You come around, son, see what the rounds get you. Now who's gonna get you? Everybody retreating. Now it's come around, son. LIL Pistol, they wanna come defeat, man. Leave me leaking the game and not speaking again. But I'm doing it, boy. What you wanna do, so I'ma get you, boy. You and your girlfriend standing right there. And matter of fact, I'ma get them little kids right there. You already know them guns in their heads. Full clip spitting literally. You already knew the son so ill. You already see the game is mine, boy. Yeah, for real, yeah. That's a question that you need to answer. You see the suggestion I passed to you, it's the guns, boy. That's the answer. Now it's in the hood, son. The game is still down the dance up. Come on, run the game, son. Pull your pants up. Cause you already know the game is still sagging. The boy still breathing. He at your clowns. Cause you already see my dragon. It's still real my chest. Released from the soul. Come on, dog, you know. Got your insides really pouring the bowl. With your blood like pouring like milk and cereal. You see the game is so simple, so smooth, boy. Little people come around like cereal. Like a killer, boy. Come around, about to spill you, son, dog. The game is simple, young. Gotta get her, turn around. Gotta do what I gotta do, like a burner up the ground. Literally, as I touch it, snap my fingers like I got magic. Promotion, boy, the blush it. Come on, dog, you ain't got my permission, son. The game ain't lucky. Now when I come around, son, do my thing, baby, young. You see the game is like a monkey still hanging. Like around your neck, son, you losing your breath. You see the game breaking your neck, boy, your bones cracking, boy, now the left. Left your soul, left your body. You ever see left to death, respect, son, to death me. You see, you wish you did. Now I'm coming running out the game, young. I'm fishing you, young. I'm fish for the new year. 2017 is here. And I'ma get it.